Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the right. And then this one I can put into dy square over dx square. This is about second derivative of the function. So this one I will put on the right, y to the power of 3 we put on the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So for this one, we can put into y to the power of negative number 3 because this is about the denominator. If we want to put into numerator, we need to have the negative side next to the power. Next, we have the formula. The integration of y to the power of n dy, we have y to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here. And we have y to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. Because this integration reduce the power of this one, so we have dy in here. The integration of this one, we have s plus c, and we have the s. So this one we have negative number 2. This one we have negative number 2. Now we put the integration for the both sides again. And now we have the final answer. So for this one, we have y to the power of negative number 2 plus 1 over negative number 2 plus 1 multiplied by negative number 2. The integration of s, you got about s squared over 2, and we have cs plus d. So in this situation, I will put about c1. That's about the constant number 1. And c2, that's about the constant number 2. This is about negative number 1. This is about negative number 1. Negative number 2 multiplied by negative number 1, you got about number 2. So we have 1 over 2y. And this is the final answer.